Hey everyone, I hope you're well and enjoying your own cross-stitch projects. I'm here with Bewitched again, and I'm just updating you on how far I've got with my cross-stitch. I don't know how far I did in the last video, but I've managed to complete all this section down here. And I've reached 80%, so that's really fantastic. I can't believe I got to 80%. So I've 20% left to do along here, down at this bottom corner. And I have to say, it's taking me ages. It's absolutely taking me ages. One of these strips along down here is taking me almost an entire day to do. Not so bad when I get to the bottom, because the bottom has just basically two colours, brown and black. But this section up here is quite confetti heavy, so that's really quite difficult. And I've been struggling. I have actually been struggling to finish this, and it seems the closer I'm getting to finishing, the less I want to do, which is really strange. I thought that when you get closer to finishing, you'd automatically feel like you want to just get it done and out the way. But no, I'm sitting there thinking, well, I'm nearly finished, so I may as well go and do another one, which is really bonkers, but hey. And so I've done a sort of awkward pattern here, but I was just kind of experimenting with different ways that I could do my parking. And I started doing some steps, and then I just thought, oh, you know, what the heck, I'm just going to finish this bit down here and then move along this way. Maybe do this last section up here at the end. I mean, overall, it's looking really good. It's looking pretty. I'm pleased with the result. I've noticed there are a couple of missed stitches when I'm looking at this in pure daylight next to the window, but I'm sure I'll get round to finishing up those little touches. I really want to frame this one. I don't know when I'll get round to doing that, but I'm really hoping that at some point in the not too distant future I can say that I've reached an end, and I'm looking forward to updating you when that actually happens. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.